Assalamu alaikum students. So hope you all are safe. Hope you all are safe, sound and healthy. Students, today I'm going to start with a very basic practical. Very basic. Okay. So that I can make you understand how the practical concept work. Very basic of HTML. Okay, web publishing you can say, or the HTML you can say. Okay, so here students, in this I'll just write practical 1, and in this we have to do few things, students. This is just to make you understand of HTML, okay, or we can say the web publishing. Now in this, students, few questions we should write, and then we can understand that how the things are going to work. The first thing which we have to do in this practical, a background color. We have to add the background color. Background color should be green. Okay. Then next question, what we have to add is the text color should be red. Text color should be red. Then third thing we want to add here in this, the heading should be heading. Okay, there is a size of headings. Okay, 6 sizes are there, and the heading should be the largest size. H6 is the smallest and H1 is the largest, and heading size should be maximum. And we have to write what? My first web page. My first web page. This we have to write. Then one more thing we have to add here, what? That we have to add the horizontal line. After the heading. Then fifth one. Then fifth we have to write what, students? That you have to display your name, okay, in bold, italic or whatever. Means few fonts we have to take, and font style. Display your name and address. In bold and italic. Okay, so here student, this is a question, a very simple basic question for you to make you understand. This is the question. Now this was one single question, and I have divided into 5 parts, so that you can understand it clearly. That what you have to do, you have to first start with the background color, then you have to give the text color, then you have to have the heading of maximum size, and in that you have to write my first web page. Then you have to add horizontal line, and then display your name or whatever you want to add. So I have written here, display your name and address. Now, as you know that HTML is divided into different parts. It has syntax. The very first is the HTML. Yes. Now we are using what? Doc type HTML. Okay, in the beginning. So we'll just see the syntax. This is the main part. Okay, opening. Then what? You have the head. And in head you have what? Title. You give the title, whatever title you give, it will be displayed in the address bar. And then you have to close the title. This is the syntax I'm giving you, student. And then what? You have to close the head part. Then comes your main part, that is the body. In this body part, students, what you do, you just have the entire content of the page. That whatever you want to do, you want to add the green color, the text color should be red, then your heading, horizontal line, everything comes under the body part. And then once the things is done in the body part, what you do, you just close the body part, and at the end close the HTML. Remember this thing students, the thing which is opens first always closed at the end. Just see this one. See this one students here. Here this HTML and HTML. Okay, this is the first part. Then this is the second part. And this is the third part. Okay, so HTML is the container tag of every tag. Container tag means what students? Which is containing every other tag. Head tag is the container tag for title, because title is enclosed within the head. Look here, opening head and closing head. And the body tag is the container tag of all the different tags which we are going to use. Okay, but HTML tag is the main tag and it is the container tag of every other tag. Okay. And then what? After once you have completed your practical, you have to save it with the .html extension. How you have to save it students? You have to save the file. Save the file with .html. Look here, for example, if I'm doing my first page, so always give the proper name students. Okay, for example, this is page, so give the page.html. .html is the extension. You have to use this only, .html as the extension. Page is the name of the page which we are creating. Give the proper name. Just don't give your name XYZ, ABC and so on. Whatever practical you are doing, students, use that name only as per your understanding. Okay, so that later on if there are multiple pages are there, the practicals are there, so easily you can just have the access that okay, this is my page HTML, this is my this practical, so I have to open this, I can open it easily. Okay, and save it in one folder. Okay, so this is the basic of the practical. Now we'll just start with the practical students. Now when you start with the practical students, you have to open one editor, that is the notepad. As students, we are going to type our coding, the notepad. Okay, we'll just see the very basic. We have started with the HTML, but here we are having HTML5 student. So you have to use doctype HTML. Doctype. You have to add one this line because now we are having HTML5. Okay. So this we have started. Now start with the main. After this comes what students? The HTML. Yes, HTML. Then what? You have to give the heading. So head part, and within head you have what? Just now we have studied. Now give the title. For example, the title is for my page is my HTML page. I'm giving HTML page. This is the title. Okay, I'm giving here, and then I'm closing the title because title is complete, so no need to make it open. So just enter here and again just close the head because this is the part of the head and we have completed with the title. So head part is over. We have started with this HTML5, then HTML. Okay, then head part we have completed. Now come down to the next part, that is the body part. Body. And your tag should be always in the angular brackets. Now what was the first question students? That the color of the page should be green. Okay, so we have to use the attribute. This is not the tag, this is the attribute students. The things which specify more about something, that is the attribute, the feature. Body is a tag, but it has the attribute because if you use this BG color attribute, it gives the background color to your page. So I'm just writing here, background color is what here students? Green. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to use the text color also. Text is what we have given, red. Okay, so here we'll just see. First what we'll do, we'll just close here the body tag and we'll just see the output whether it is coming or not. And this is the HTML, the last tag. Then we will do continue. First we'll just save it. Save. I'm giving here as page .html. The extension is .html. Okay, I'm saving it on the desktop. Save. And as I save it, students, the icon will be turned in the web browser which you are using. For example, my browser is here, Google Chrome. So we'll just see. Look here, page. Yes, we'll just open it here, just double click. Look, this is the background color. Green we have got. Now text color is not appearing because we have not written any text. Okay, so you have, and just see here we have got the page title, okay, which we have saved, page.html, and this is the title, my HTML page. Okay, this is the title. Now we'll come back again and we'll continue with our practical the program. Next is what, students? We have to add the heading, the maximum heading. So the maximum size of the heading is H1, students. We have 6 heading types, H1 to H6. H1 is the largest and H1 is the smallest. So here it is given the maximum size. And you have to write what? My first page. I'm writing this in the maximum size. Then you have to close the heading 1. Okay, here we have finished. Then next is what, students? You have to specify the horizontal line. The HR is for horizontal line because it has given that after your heading you have to display the horizontal line. So I'm using the HR. You can specify size also if you want. Size H, your 2, 3, whatever. First we'll just see this one and then we can just add the size also. Then in bold, your name should be there. Example, I'm writing Ibrahim. Then close this bold. Address should be in italic. I stands for italic. This tag, I tag, italic. For example, now I'm writing here Bhiwandi. This is the italic. Then close the I tag also. Closing tag is always with slanting line, okay? Then enter. Then give the break here and specify the example here. That is information technology. BR is for breaking a line, so it will come on the next line. And we have already closed this. Now whatever changes we have made, students, we have to first save it, because if you won't save it, no changes will take place. So you have done so many changes, so you have to first save it. Saved? Okay, now again come back to your program, just refresh it here, reload this page. Got it? Look, this is my first page, the big heading, then this is the horizontal line, then this is Ibrahim in bold and Bhiwandi in italic, and this is the information technology. After the break, if I give break here, Bhiwandi will also come down. We'll just see if I'm going to give break here, BR. Okay, we'll see. Then you have to save it. Why? Because we have changed it. Save. And again try to run it. Reload it. Look, again it came down. So if you want to have more line breaks, you can add more and more break. Okay, if I add here 2 breaks, so it will give 2 line break. Getting it? Let's see again. Let's see this again. We'll just see HR size. If we can give the HR size equal to 3. It whether it will display it or not. Save. I'll just check it again. see the size has increased. Yes, if I'll add more size, it will increase it more. Instead of 3, I'll just have the C again. Remember students, every time you are making a change, you have to save it first and then you have to reload the page. See, look. Yes. So this is the very simple program. The question was lengthy, but I have divided it into different parts and then easily I'm able to understand it that what the question has been asked. Okay, so it's very simple and easy, students. If you understand the syntax, you can easily type the program. So hope you've understood this. The things has been divided into this. See this is body and this is the HTML. Look, doc type HTML because this is what your HTML5. Then HTML started, then this part, head part, then the body part, and then the HTML close. Yes, students. So this is a very basic practical. Hope you've understood this. If you've understood this, you can have more and more number of practicals related to this. You can do very easily. So inshallah, we'll have more and more practicals, simple practicals, so that I can make you understand. Okay, so this is the simple term, students. BG color, text, these are the attributes and the different tags. Always remember that tags are enclosed within the angular brackets. If the angular brackets are not there, they are not the tags, they are the attributes. Like BG color is the attribute, text is the attribute, size is the attribute. Getting, students? So hope you've understood this. So inshallah, in the next lecture, we'll have more simple practicals of HTML and JavaScript as well. So until then, just try to practice this. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See the